Okay, question 7. Show the calculator input required for the following question. We have the word compounded. Can use the calculator or could use the formula. Right, so I'm starting with this much money. Can increase this investment by 50%. Some words going on there. Idea of this question is, what would I put into the calculator? Different sort of questions might give you calculator screens and ask you what do the things mean. However, compounded half yearly. How long will it take? How long? How long? I think that tells me that I don't know the length of time. This is what I'm looking for in this question. In this question, that's what I'm looking for. That's the unknown. 4 3/4. I hope you people understand that that's 4.75%. How much money am I starting with? Well, it looks to me like it's 20,000. So far I've used this. Blang. I've used this. Blang. Half yearly. Half yearly should mean that these are both 2. Okay. Right. Is this question got any payments? No regular payments. No regular payments. Not a loan. There's no regular payments. Now, here's the deal. What is the future value? Increase by 50%. I've got those words. This means that the future value is 50% bigger than the starting value, or 1.5 times PV equals 1.5 times 20,000. Hopefully people know that is 30,000. Right, can't do this problem without the 30,000. Now this, as far as this question is going, it actually only is asking, do you know where the letters are going? That little trick here is part of the deal. So I think in a minute we're going to use the calculator. Using those values, we're going to enter this to the calculator. Instead of finding future value, we're going to find n. Okay, calculator. This is set up into finance already. So into finance. Can I just take a minute and delete all the screens? Okay. F2 for finance. N is what I'm looking for. So I'm just going to leave it as like whatever it is now. I don't want to put a 0 there, or else computer will get upset. 4.75. Cool. PV. I'm starting with the investment of $20,000. It's an investment, so this should be minus because it's an investment. You're putting that money into the bank. Okay, this will make the calculator much more regular. There are no regular payments. I want the final value to be $30,000. In this question, what is the payment period? Half yearly? That sounds to me like 2. Twice a year. Twice a year. Okay, so I have these numbers ready to go. Alright, I'm going to put a 0 in for end. It didn't die. Copy. This shows people what I've got in my calculator. Now I'm going to use the computer to find n. And notice this says years. It's going to be a trick with that. So I find n, I find F1. Okay. Okay. N equals 17.2. Twice a year compounding. This means I need to divide that number by 2. Okay. Years equals 17 divided by 2. So it's about 8.5. And it's a little bit more than 17. So it's around about 8.5 years. It will basically take 8.5 years or 9 years to reach this profit. So what's really going on in this question is that we are using a calculator to find something other than future value. Okay, use the calculator to find n. It's one of the skills of the calculator. That would be very difficult to do by hand, that step. The second part of this question is it had a little thing, the future value is hidden in this statement. I'll highlight that as something else of interest. Can you see that? Can you see the orange? Maybe the red. Okay. Okay. So that's what's happening there. That looks to be question 7. All right. Question 7. It's over. It's over, question 7. It's over.